Ready? चालू किया?
Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And today in this video we are going to have a look on some of the coolest slow motion samples taken from this OnePlus 6. So let's get started. So before getting into the slow motion videos, if you have the OnePlus 6 with you and if you don't see slow motion option in its camera option right here, it's just because you haven't updated your OnePlus 6 to its latest update. With the latest update, you will get the option for 1080p at 240 fps. Also will get the option for 720p at 480 fps slow motion recording, which is crazy. Anyways, now let's have a look on some of the coolest slow motion videos taken from this OnePlus 6. So guys, this is it for this video. If you want to see more cool videos on this OnePlus 6, subscribe to this channel now. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends. Also post your thoughts in the comment section and press that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks to watching Unbox Extinction, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.